My name is Aernoudt Jacobs. I'm working in the field of sound, and most of my work are in an investigation into what sound is in the world.
My name is Reenaers. I'm a project engineer at Hasselt University at the Institute of Material Research.
So the workshop that we have developed together with Dieter is about working with a special speaker that is able to emit sound and light.
We are producing luminescent speaker foils and where we use multiple layers on top of each other to create a luminescent speaker on piezoelectrical foil.
Yeah, it's kind of a sheet. It's built around a sheet and different layers of paints that activate in terms of sound and light.
There's one layer which is the luminescent layer, where we usually use one fixed color to create these luminescent devices, and we characterize them in a lab in a scientific way. Today we had the opportunity to create artistic patterns to mix different colors together to change the aspect ratio and the design.
I have presented to everybody a basic design which gives some area to experiment with. So with coloring, with forms, and of course with light and sound.
So after designing the ELs, we had to cure them. So we put them in an oven. We used the hair dryer to dry the layers. And then once they were finished, we tested them all and we started working on the amplifier. So we modified our amplifier so we had 8 different audio channels to run the electroluminescent devices. So we could put them all in parallel or aside of each other. And then we brought them all together to express them in an artistic way to the audience.
Yeah, of course, this is the first time that we do this workshop, so we have developed this with certain ideas, and of course, when we are like 6 people working on this with different areas, everybody has a certain input. So one is a specialist in screen printing, so he helped to learn about the techniques and how you can mix colors, for example. There's also somebody from the performance arts who has more an idea about space. So this has also an impact on how the installation will be presented.
Usually I'm giving workshops to students and they're kind of afraid of touching the sample or manipulating a machine or an equipment. While today we are working together with artists with a lot of experience, and it really feels very interesting to see that they immediately take up the things and start to work practically.
Yeah, for me, what was striking is to work with these different people with different backgrounds, and yeah, I learned a lot about screen printing, for example, so this was completely unexpected for me.
For example, with electroluminescent lamps, if I have some defects in my lamp, I don't like it that much, definitely not from a scientific point of view, but together with Aernoudt, I know we have the margin to have some defects, and those defects maybe even make our device nicer or more unique. And I think in that way we were really complementary. So we really add up to each other to create a very open and calm atmosphere within the workshop, so that everybody knew that we just take the equipment and we can play with it. Even if we make a small mistake, it doesn't matter that much.